Hey boys and girls, Mr. Samosa here. I got a great lesson planned for us today. Today, we are going to be learning about something that we're growing in our garden at school, so I thought we'd get some history on it. And then maybe for our next video, we could even cook it up into a nice tasty dish. Today, we're going to talk about something called eggplant. Now that's not like regular eggs. We can't crack this and make some scrambled eggs. This is something very different, my friends. This is an eggplant, and it grows typically throughout Southeast Asia, parts of the Mediterranean. It can grow even in parts of North America, like in Mexico and stuff like that. This particular one was grown in Mexico, and it's a big one. They have smaller ones. They got ones that are different colors that are white, have purple stripes. They got real small ones that look like smaller cucumbers. This is just one of the bigger ones. Inside, the flesh is typically white with a lot of seeds. And as soon as you slice it open, it starts to turn brown. The color begins to oxidize and turn brown. They recommend you cook it because if you eat it raw, it's kind of bitter. So definitely cook it. And it's known to soak up a lot of juices and a lot of flavors. So it's used with like a lot of nice sauces and stir fries and things like that. A very good thing to use for those that are trying to get away from meat, because it has kind of like a meaty, thick texture to it. So vegetarians and vegans really like to use it a lot to substitute for meat. Eggplant is a member of the nightshade family, closely related to tomatoes and potatoes. That was very interesting to me. In North America, it's called eggplant, but in British English, it's called aubergine. One more time, it's called aubergine in British English. In South Asia and South Africa, it's called brinjal. Brinjal. So, North America, eggplant. And Europe, parts of Europe, aubergine. And Africa and parts of Asia, brinjal. Okay? It's a tropical perennial. Typically likes to grow in like the warm environments. And its flowers are colors of purple and white. They're actually very gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. One interesting fact about eggplant, it's been grown since ancient times. It's a very, very old food. It's actually been grown, the first account of it being mentioned in any sort of writing or history text was in the year 544, a long time ago. And it was actually talked about in Chinese text. So we first hear about it. Another factoid is that we know that it came from the Mediterranean because there's so many different names for this in the Arab language and also in different African names from North Africa. But there's very little names for this in Greek and in ancient Roman languages, which tells us that it originated in the Mediterranean and slowly worked its way to the other parts of the world. So yeah, my friends, the next time we get together, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to make a delicious meal from this. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, my friends.